What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your girl Tonight Diamonds here, and I'm back here with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on the screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Make sure you guys check out my previous videos. I'll put them in the cards and the end cards as well. Today I decided to do something a little bit different today, so if y'all like it, let me know. But you guys, I got a package from Dressin right here. So they let me pick 8 items from their site to show you guys today. If I have any code or like that, it will be on the screen and it will be in the description box for you guys. All the links to these will be in the description box as well as the website too. So yeah, so I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to actually show you guys all the pieces that I got from them, and then at the end I will show you guys all of them on me, rather than me showing you guys and then y'all see like a side video. I want to do like switch it up a little bit if this works. Okay, so the first one, okay, this is like a, we call it ruched long sleeve black dress. The sleeves are like ruched. I think this is supposed to be like the shoulder dress. I think it's supposed to be like a shoulder dress. And it has the zipper in the back. Very nice. Well, yeah, I'll see how that looks on me. I haven't worn dresses like that much in the summertime. I kind of regretted that, but it's okay. We got some events coming up. Well, one event coming up. So, let me just in the black. And I believe I sized up with some of them because, you know, just in case. What is this? I don't remember picking this, because I think some of the stuff that I picked were sold out. But yeah, I definitely don't remember this one. But it's a bit revealing, so we'll see how this looks. See how this looks at the end. Oh, and it does have a slit on the side, so yeah. And I look like so much black stuff. I mean, black stuff. This I want to be like a little bit different. Wait. I don't remember picking this either. So yeah, I guess whatever was sold out, they just picked for me, which is okay. So, okay, yeah, that, and it has the footprint. I remember this footprint actually, but I guess I just don't remember like how the picture looked. But okay, it's short in the front, long in the back. I definitely remember this footprint. So that. I know I did pick out a shirt as well. Okay, yeah, this is the shirt. It is very big. Okay, I probably should have gotten a medium on this. I think it's a medium, or maybe a large, but it is pretty big. So, I have the shirt. I picked that one out specifically so I could just wear to work and stuff like that, because it's a nice, chill, regular, you know, t-shirt. And then another black. Oh, what are you? Oh, I know what this is. Hang on a minute, cause I know what this is. Cause I've been wanting this dress for so long. Cause I've been seeing it around. I think it's that dress. I'm trying to put it the right way. Yeah. Okay. So is that one dress where it has it? This is like the middle part. You have the 2 legs. Y'all see in the video, but yes, I'm so excited to see how this one looks. Okay, the next one, oh yeah, I did pick out this skirt because I've been wanting like skirts like this, and I didn't pick them up for some reason during the summertime. But this is really nice. This is good for like vacation, even though it's getting cold over here. If I do go on vacation, I can bring that with me. What did I pick up? Oh yes, I picked out these workout shorts because I actually like these. That's the butt part. But I have these. I think I'm just in a large, which I feel like maybe I should have gone in a medium because I don't know, because I have a whole bunch of these and I think they're medium, but I think large is the safest option because when I wash it and stuff, yeah. And I think I picked up a pair of shorts too, but I'm being there. I have another floral dress, I believe. Oh. This is definitely different. Yeah, I did not pick this one out. Hopefully it's not too short on me. Ooh. Hopefully it actually fits too, because it's kind of looking big. I don't know, maybe because I get scared sometimes because with certain materials, a medium would be too tight sometimes. So hopefully this fits. So let's go try these on. Okay, so this one did fit me, but the way the size was supposed to be, it wasn't showing up like that on me, probably because of my height, but it was still cute. You know, once I lose a little weight, it will look a lot better. This one right here, I really liked it. This one feels very comfortable, stretchy, very nice. We just want to 10 out of 10. Really like this one, and it's rouge, so cute. This one over here, it didn't really it fitted me. It was very comfortable and stuff, but once again, once I lose weight, it will look a lot better. So yeah, this one did not fit, and it's too short, plus the zipper wasn't going up. This one, it was really nice. It fit really good. I just put it the wrong way. It's supposed to go on the side, but 10 out of 10. This was super comfortable. Really liked it. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Great workout outfits. Great whatever everyday wear outside. This skirt had a slit on the side. It was very cute. I really liked the skirt a lot. Definitely one for me to wear on vacation and stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, so that concludes the haul. Unfortunately, as you can see, some of the clothes did not fit me. They were either too tight, too short. Like the blue and white dress is very pretty, don't get me wrong, but I thought considering it was a large it would have fit, but it didn't even zip up, and it was too short on top of that. Way too short for me to wear out, feel comfortable out like that. But yeah, anything else I do like especially the black with the like the stomach showing. I can see the vision of that. Hopefully, you know, when I lose some weight though and I have like more confidence, I would definitely wear that out for sure, because I actually do like that one a lot. And a lot of the other black dresses are cute too, but like I said, I'll have more confidence in them once I like lose weight and stuff like that. But other than that, you know, they're not bad. The materials are good. Love the material of this. Very nice and stretchy. The skirt feels great. I highly recommend trying them out, you guys, if you haven't tried them out before. But yeah, like I said, these will be in the description box for you guys. Be sure to check out their site, all that good stuff, and y'all let me know which ones y'all like in the comments down below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.